3, 2, 1.
Oh, see, I told you that they pushed me back. What up, guys? I'm Chajang, and today I'm gonna get hit by 3 different sizes of water balloon at my face.
Hey bro, you know what time is it?
Yeah, it's slow-mo time.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
That one pop? No. That was pretty good because it's like
3, 2, 1.
oh, see, I told you that they pushed me back. At least like doesn't measure a big one.
3, 2, 1.
You missed.
3, 2, 1.
Because the balloon didn't pop, we're gonna throw this somewhere else. Like the face.